crunchy hot honey chicken recipe. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering treat in store for you: baked crunchy hot honey chicken. It's the perfect blend of crispy, spicy, and sweet flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. So let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe like this one. Ingredients: for the chicken, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1/2 teaspoons black pepper. For the hot honey glaze, 1/2 cup honey, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, adjust to your heat preference, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. For garnish, fresh chopped cilantro, sliced green onions. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place a wire rack on a baking sheet and lightly grease it to ensure the chicken cooks evenly and stays crispy. Step 2. Prepare the chicken. In a shallow bowl, combine the all-purpose flour with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Mix well. In another bowl, beat the eggs. In a third bowl, place the breadcrumbs. Step 3. Coat the chicken. Take a chicken breast and coat it evenly with the seasoned flour mixture. Dip it into the beaten eggs. Roll it in the breadcrumbs, ensuring a thick, even coating. Place the coated chicken on the wire rack on the baking sheet. Repeat this process for all the chicken breasts. Step 4. Bake the chicken. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and has a beautiful golden brown color. Step 5. Make the hot honey glaze. While the chicken is baking, let's make the hot honey glaze. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Stir in the honey, hot sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Simmer for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Remove from heat. Step 6. Glaze the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, take it out of the oven. Brush the hot honey glaze generously over each chicken breast. Step 7. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle fresh chopped cilantro and sliced green onions on top for a burst of flavor and color. And there you have it, folks. Our baked crunchy hot honey chicken is ready to be devoured. This dish is an explosion of flavors, from the crispy exterior to the sweet and spicy glaze. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave us your thoughts and comments down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking and see you in the next video.